Okay, got a package here. Okay, got a package here. Guess what's inside? What was this noise? Oh, it's the bark. Guess what's inside? It's more Swiss Army knives. Victorinox Swiss Army knives in there. And some really interesting ones. Can't wait to have a look at them and actually try them. Okay, so since that case, I could cut it open. Could use my Swiss Army knife to unbox more Swiss Army knives. Okay, the small blade. Okay, there is an inner package, so here, I think it's okay here. Okay. Okay. Interesting dual system, but wow, this is really amazing packing. So much better than the previous one I got. This one is really well packed. Exactly how it should be. No tape touching directly the boxes inside. It's all taped on top, but inside there is this is super protected, so nice. Okay, let's see what's inside. Okay. Can't remember what I... Oh wow. Interesting boxes. Oh, which one is this? The classic. Such a nice box. Wow. This is the Victorinox Classic SD. Sweet berry, just a regular red. And no wonder this is the most popular. And was this opened? Looks a bit damaged here, but okay. I can't put it in, so was it opened? Maybe no. I have no idea. It's as far as it goes in, so I don't know. Classic SD. Ah, this is Alox. Ah, I even forgot I bought this one also. Wow. The classic SD Alox. Red. Yeah, now I remember. This is the classic SD Alox for the keychain. Not for my keychain, but someone else's keychain. Because it's nice and light. Really interesting packing. I will have a look at this later. So classic SD Alox Sweet Berry. That's the barcode. Really, I forgot what I bought here. Really. Oh, the classic SD Fire Opal. This is the regular, not Alox. Oh yeah, this also doesn't really fit very well. So maybe it's something like tradition. They don't fit at all, these Victorinox Swiss Army knives, or SAK. The Victorinox Swiss Army knife Fire Opal. And this is the made in Switzerland Victorinox branding. Classic SD colors Fire Opal. This is the plastic one. So the boxes are the same size. This is Alox model metal, and this one is the plastic one. Or I think they try to avoid the word plastic. They call it, how they call this one? I forgot how it's called. This one. It's Alox, and yeah, this one on the left is the Celidor, or plastic in common words, plastic. No, the one on the left is the Celidor version, the plastic scales, and the one on the right it's the Alox version of the Victorinox Classic SD Swiss Army knife. The Alox doesn't have the toothpick and the tweezers because there is no slot here, it's much thinner. So yeah, interesting. They were packed separate, like some special. So they are all interesting. This box. Okay. We're getting somewhere. Yeah, everything really well packed. Oh, I think I know which one is this. I think I know which one is this. Printed in Switzerland, even printed in Switzerland. Oh, it's like a matchbox. Sneak peek? No, later. Yeah. This is the MiniChamp Alox regular silver. Model number 0.6381.26. And this one was the classic SD Alox was 0.6221.201 G, and this one was 0.6223.T82 G. Just for reference, that's the barcode. I think this is going to be my keychain pocket knife, the MiniChamp Alox. It's difficult to decide to not have the tweezers and especially the toothpick, but I can use any stick as a toothpick and I can use my fingers as tweezers. But the MiniChamp has a lot of tools and it's really light. Not light, but small. So What's there? Oh, this is a heavy one. Oh, this is really heavy. So we have the same box. There's the barcode, Swiss made, and the product. Yeah, I knew this is gonna be the Ranger. This is the Victorinox Ranger Red, model number 1.3763. It's pretty heavy, but it has a lot of tools, this one. Okay. And what's this one? Okay. Made in Switzerland. This is the barcode. Okay. And I had a previous package before. It was not as good as this one. This is much better. Very like brand new packing. The other one was a bit beat up. Oh, nice. This is not as heavy as the Ranger, I think. Okay, this is the Huntsman. Huntsman black. I wanted it black. This is going to be probably my main knife here, or the Ranger, I don't know. Model number 1.3713.3. It's the Huntsman black. It's gonna be interesting, the black color. I think it's interesting to change it sometimes. Oh, and the last one. This is pretty heavy. Oh, interesting, heavy. Okay. I'm not sure if you know what this means, but this is an Alox. The Alox Farmer X 0.8271.26. That's the barcode. And inside there is it's the same number, right? 827126. 827126. That's the Farmer Victorinox Swiss Army Knife Farmer X Alox model. Okay, so this is what I got. I think probably need a bit of some help by this point. I think it's already too many, and you can never have too many. I'm gonna do some interesting things with these ones. There is a separate channel, EAN Quest, where you will see some tricks with different one, each one, with this one, with this, with the MiniChamp Alox models, the Farmer X, Ranger and Huntsman. You will find all the videos on how to use the tools on these Swiss Army knives in the channel I linked below, the EAN Quest, and there you have small hacks for Swiss Army knives, how to do survival bushcraft, survival hacks basically. This is how it all started here. I started with the Victorinox Twinker. I started with the Tinker, and before you know it, there is 2, 4, 6, and another 4 in the box. There is those 4, 6, and then we have the Explorer, Angler, there is the compact, which looks pretty nice actually, and the soldier. The soldier is going to be interesting. This is really by far the heaviest one. So now there is a collection. From these ones, which one is your favorite? And if none is your favorite, which one do you think I should have bought instead of these knives? So far from these ones, my favorite is the Tinker. Nice and simple. But it's going to be probably the MiniChamp Alox or the Huntsman Black or the Ranger Red. The angler has a nice fish drawing on it, so that's gonna be interesting to watch. Subscribe to find more about unboxing these ones and more about tools in general, fixing things, tools to make things. Thanks for watching.